Ever wondered who shapes the products you use every day? Meet the product manager, the driving force behind innovation. Product management is the art of identifying customer needs, designing solutions, and bringing them to life with the help of cross-functional teams. Product management offers a unique opportunity to impact lives, solve real-world problems, and drive business growth. It's a career for thinkers, creators, and leaders. A product manager focuses on why and what to build, while a project manager ensures how and when it's delivered. As a PM, you'll drive innovation, collaborate with diverse teams, and enjoy high career growth in one of the most in-demand fields today. Master tools like Jira for project tracking, Figma for prototyping, and Google Analytics for user insights. With the global demand for PMs growing at 10% annually, the future is bright. As technology evolves, PMs will shape the AI-driven, user-focused world of tomorrow. Ready to make an impact? Start your journey in product management today.